The manual method of adding the finishing to a room is simple, but takes a lot of time. This process is routine and monotonous, and it requires attention to avoid mistakes. You need to manually fill in lots of parameters and then click on each room on the plan. At the same time, you should remember to check the correctness of the finishing modeled. It takes up to an hour to fill a story with finishing. It's not complicated to calculate how long it will take to fill a 10-story building with finishing. But what if we have not just one such building, but 5 or 10? Then the labor costs will be tens, if not hundreds of man-hours. We present you a solution to the problem: Finishing, a plugin for complex work with room finishing in Revit models. The plugin allows you to compare the room finishing types with the wall types, indicate the type of elements for finishing calculations, and also choose the standard sizes for stairs finishing. Let's start working with the plugin. First, let's select the rooms in which we are going to model the finishing. Then go to Tab Editor and launch the plugin. The plugin consists of 5 sections: room finishing, stairs finishing, adjacency, settings, and info. Now go to section settings. Tab room finishing is intended for comparing finishing types with wall types. Tab stairs finishing serves to select the standard size for finishing. Tab accessory settings allows you to determine the type of element, for which the parameters indicating the elements belonging to the room are filled in using the method selected below. Let's move on to modeling the room finishing. In section settings, jump to Tab room finishing and compare the finishing with the wall types. The base wall is on the left, and the finishing to be compared is on the right. In the drop-down list of the base wall, you can select the required standard size. For example, select the outer wall and the finishing will go on it. Here we set all kinds of standard sizes. For example, you can assign brick finishing to an outer brick wall. And when a wall with these properties is detected, the plugin will build on the wall exactly the same standard size that we have compared. Thus, we can compare all types of finishing with the bases that we have in the project. Once we have set up all the comparisons, advance to section Room Finishing, and select those room for which the finishing will be modeled. The plugin processes the wall finishing along the boundaries of the rooms. Therefore, correct snapping of the rooms by height ensures the correct snapping of the finishing. The plugin also automatically connects the wall to the base wall, so there is no need to manually click to connect the base wall and the finishing wall. The plugin also enables you to model the stairs finishing. In section settings in Tab Stairs Finishing, select the standard size needed for finishing. Then in Revit advance to 3D View and select Section Stairs Finishing. Select the stairs. The finishing has been successfully modeled. Last section, Adjacency. When you are finished with modeling room finishing, you can move to the next step. Click to Settings, select the type of elements to be calculated, in our case these are walls, and the necessary numbering of the rooms. Navigate to Revit in 3D View and select Accessory. Now, we can select the wall and see a room number and a grouping parameter. Make sure that the selected wall is highlighted and check the numbering. That's right. Then move to the schedule of wall finishing and you can see that the schedule is formed correctly. Also, you can make a schedule of stairs and intermediate platforms finishing. Module Accessory will help you to form the most precise bills and lists of material. Thus, the plugin significantly saves the specialist's time and frees the specialist up for other tasks. As a result, when working with the plugin, the scope of the modeled finishing per unit of time increases by several times. By applying finishing, you will enhance your efficiency and accuracy of the working models. Visit our website at inca.com. You can download the plugin and explore our other solutions. For communication and project development requests, you can contact us via email.